This is an NBC News special report.
Roger Volpack. Breaking news. There has been an algebraic epidemic, and Jamal Houston is here with tips for you.
To solve this equation, you need to use the slope form. To do that, you subtract this, and you put it over here. Because those cancel each other out. After you move the y from this equation to that equation, you need to move the 9 from that equation to this equation to complete the slope-intercept form. To do that, you subtract 9 from 9. The outcome should be 1/2 x minus 9 equals negative y. The y cannot be negative, so you need to multiply the whole equation by -1. After you do this, you will get y equals negative 1/2 x plus 9. Now that you found what y equals, you can plug y into the other equation for this y. So you would get 3x minus 4, parentheses, negative 1/2 x plus 9 equals negative 6. Next, you solve it, you need to distribute the negative 4 into the parentheses. So you do 3x minus, or this would turn into plus because of that negative, plus 4 times 1 divided by 2, 2x minus 36 equals negative 6. You would combine like terms to get 5x minus 36 equals negative 6. You would move the negative 36 onto here by adding 36 to negative 36. Those would cancel each other out, and you would move the 36 over here, or you would add it again. This would equal 30, because that's negative, so you're really just subtracting it by 36. 5x. So 5x equals 30. And then you divide the whole thing by 5 to get the variable alone, and that would equal x equals 6. But you're not done yet. Now that you found out what x equals, you can bring it into one of the equations. I would do the first equation because that's more easier. So you would get 1/2 times 6 plus y equals 9. You would multiply 1/2 by 6 to get 3 plus y equals 9. You subtract 3 minus to clear the 3, and then you would subtract it onto the 9 to get 6. And y would equal 6. You would put your x and y together, like if you were graphing, like a point. That would be 6, 6. To check your work, you could plug in the x equals 6 and y equals 6 into the equation. So 1/2 6, that is 3, plus 6 equals 9. If you're not dumbfounded, you would know that 3 plus 6 equals 9, so we got it right.
Roger Ball back again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.
Wait, we're not done yet, okay? Use report alert thing. Victoria's plan, just hit iTunes shop, okay? Oh yeah.
If you turn and it's late to the clock, yeah. I've been studying English so they amaze me. My right angle is 90 degrees. I'm a pro at angles with no flex on. Up to angles have 180 degrees. Up to angles have 190 degrees. You get better at angles if you study. 2 angles that have 90 supplementary. 2 angles that add 180 supplementary. Victoria's plan. Victoria's plan. I do math and jump that up. Yeah. I do something else I won't. Degree is a unit. A. Mix the towards the G-O-D. A transversal is a line. A goes through a parallel. And so, math things. There's a lot of math things and there's a towards C, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina. Yeah. Math things. There's a lot of math things. This is towards T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina T, Tina. Yeah. Hey. She says you saw, yeah, tell her absolutely. I only look for math and my angles. I'm sorry. I just said angles and I have different degrees. Reversals are confusing, do not test me. And you know me. Turn the 180 to a 93. Without the tutorial, would it be me? Yeah. Imagine if she never even taught me. George plan. She will teach you things you don't know. Angles will earn you a lot of dough. Learning angles is the code. Might run down the smart road. You can learn angles from me.